At Marshall Cavendish Education, we believe education shapes how learners see the world and their place in it. Introducing the MCE Lower Secondary Global Perspective Series, designed for learners from stages 7 to 9. Developed with expert insights from Dr. Roy Vandenbrink-Budgen, MCE Global Perspectives places critical and creative thinking at the heart of every learning experience. Aligned to the Cambridge Global Perspectives syllabus, this program inspires learners to explore real-world issues and grow into confident, future-ready thinkers by using real skills and real thinking to solve real global issues. Let's break down how both teachers and students can benefit from using this series. Designed with both learners and teachers in mind, the work text is available in print and digital formats, which include resources such as an AI coach for personalised student support, as well as guidance, strategies, and classroom support for educators. Learners are equipped with the essential skills to think critically and act globally, guiding them step by step through the structured prepare, practice, and ponder approach. Meanwhile, educators are supported with a comprehensive, all-in-one, easy-to-use package that makes teaching seamless and efficient. Extensive teaching resources include scheme of work, detailed lesson plans, PowerPoint teaching slides, and end-of-year project worksheets. Additional supporting resources, such as multimedia content and interactive diagram building tools, help bring lessons to life and make it easier than ever to inspire global awareness in the classroom. The series also offers extensive learning resources alongside an AI coach designed to support learners every step of the way. The AI coach provides real-time prompts, scaffolding, and tailored feedback, helping students deepen their understanding and personalize learning. Learners stay engaged through culturally sensitive and relatable contexts, linking what they know to the wider world. The series guides students from exploring local experiences to understanding national issues, and ultimately connecting these insights to global perspectives, helping them see the relevance of learning in their own communities while thinking beyond borders. The MCE Lower Secondary Global Perspectives Series, a guided approach that equips every learner with critical skills needed to become thinkers and global citizens. Discover the joy of learning with the MCE Lower Secondary Global Perspectives Series today. Scan here to learn more about the series.